A$AP Rocky's assault trial officially begins. A detailed look at the case, key witnesses and what's at stake. The legal battle involving 36-year-old rapper A$AP Rocky, whose real name is Rakim Mayers, has entered a crucial stage with the commencement of his criminal trial on Friday, January 24, 2025. The case, which has been ongoing for more than 2 years, centers on allegations of assault with a semi-automatic firearm against his former friend and colleague, A AP Relli, also known as Terrell Efron. The trial has drawn widespread public attention, not only due to Rocky's status as a global music icon but also because of the high-profile witnesses and legal strategies involved. Here's a comprehensive breakdown of the case, its background and the first day of trial proceedings. Background of the case: the alleged incident. The charges against A$AP Rocky stem from an incident that occurred in November 2021 in Hollywood, California. According to the Los Angeles Police Department and court documents, an altercation between Rocky and A$AP Relli escalated to violence. Relli has accused Rocky of firing a semi-automatic firearm in his direction during the dispute. The alleged incident left Relli with minor physical injuries but significant emotional and psychological distress, as noted in his statements to law enforcement and later legal filings. In addition to the criminal case, Relli filed a civil lawsuit against Rocky, seeking damages for medical expenses and emotional trauma. Rocky was formally charged with 2 counts of assault with a semi-automatic firearm in August 2022. The rapper pleaded not guilty at the time, asserting that the accusations were exaggerated and that he acted in self-defense during the confrontation. Despite his plea, the case advanced through the legal system, and by late 2023, a judge ruled that there was enough evidence to proceed with a criminal trial. Day 1 of the trial. Key testimony from LAPD Officer Thomas "Tommy" Zizzo Jr. The first day of the trial was marked by the testimony of a significant witness, LAPD Officer Thomas "Tommy" Zizzo Jr., who happens to be the son of Erika Jayne, star of The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Officer Zizzo, who responded to the scene of the alleged shooting in 2021, took the stand to provide crucial testimony about the events that unfolded. According to reports, his account included detailed observations of the scene, descriptions of the physical evidence, and his interactions with those present, including Relli. Zizzo's involvement has drawn significant media attention, not only because of his testimony but also due to his family's connection to the entertainment world. His mother, Erika Jayne, has publicly spoken about her son's choice to lead a private life despite her own fame. In a 2020 interview, Erika addressed the challenges of being a public figure while respecting her son's privacy. "He didn't choose this life, I chose this life, and we try and protect him. I don't care if he's an adult and he carries a gun and a badge. At the end of the day he's still my boy. He's a very fine young man and I'm super proud." Legal strategies: defense versus prosecution. The trial's outcome hinges on the ability of both sides to present compelling arguments and evidence. The prosecution aims to prove that Rocky's actions were deliberate and reckless, while the defense maintains that the rapper acted in self-defense during a heated confrontation. Rocky's legal team has argued that the charges are based on inconsistent witness statements and a lack of physical evidence directly linking him to the alleged shooting. In declining a plea deal earlier this week, Rocky signaled his confidence in his defense strategy, which will likely focus on undermining the credibility of the prosecution's witnesses and evidence. Will Rihanna be involved in the trial? As the trial unfolds, one question on many fans' minds is whether Rihanna, Rocky's longtime girlfriend and the mother of his 2 children, will play a role in the proceedings. While she has been a vocal supporter of Rocky in the past, his legal team recently confirmed that Rihanna is not expected to testify or be directly involved in the trial. The couple, who welcomed their second child in 2023, have largely kept their relationship and family life private, despite their global fame. Rihanna's absence from the trial reflects her desire to avoid further public scrutiny during what is already a challenging time for their family. Public and media reaction. The trial has captivated the public's attention, with fans, legal analysts and media outlets closely following every development. Social media platforms have been flooded with discussions about the case, with some users expressing support for Rocky and others criticizing his alleged actions. The involvement of Erika Jayne's son as a witness has added another layer of intrigue, drawing viewers from both the music and reality television worlds. News outlets have highlighted the crossover between the 2 industries, creating a unique dynamic that has further amplified interest in the trial. Implications for A$AP Rocky's career. Regardless of the trial's outcome, the case has significant implications for A$AP Rocky's career and public image. As a prominent figure in the music industry, Rocky has built a reputation for his innovative sound and bold fashion choices. However, the allegations and legal proceedings have cast a shadow over his professional achievements. If convicted, Rocky could face severe legal penalties, including potential prison time, which would undoubtedly disrupt his career and personal life. On the other hand, an acquittal could allow him to rebuild his reputation and refocus on his music and other ventures. What's next? The trial is expected to continue for several weeks, with additional witnesses and evidence to be presented. Legal experts anticipate that the case will feature intense cross-examinations and arguments from both sides, as they vie to sway the jury's opinion. Fans and supporters of A$AP Rocky are eagerly awaiting updates, hoping for a resolution that will bring clarity to the complex and controversial case. Stay tuned as we provide ongoing coverage of the trial and its developments.